So guys, it's a new vlog. I've got the Uggs on today because today we're just having a chill day. We're drinking this concoction because his brother might have COVID, so
yep.
We're like waiting an hour till we have to take the next dose. That's cool. So it's another picnic day. We're gonna film one of his videos, and then we brought a book to read, and forgot to vlog at GameStop because we found The Last of Us 1 and 2, and you guys know I'm obsessed. I'm just showing you guys what we brought for the picnic. I'm hurt, forgot to vlog it completely, but next time we go there, because I want to buy the first game because it's only $20, so why not? Next time we go there, we'll vlog it. You guys, there's so marshmallows again. Oh, don't take me down the candy aisle. We're at Meijer and I'm high as hell. So is he. Bad idea because like I saw marshmallows and I want them, but we're not here for that. So whatever. So here we are on this loud-ass trail. We're biking. We got the bikes. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know. It was colder when we left the house, but now it's warming up. So yeah. We're ready if it gets cold again. But we're trying to find a spot to like sit down and just relax for a little bit. But we'll keep looking because this is what it's looking like up ahead.
I caught 14-inch big mouth.
Damn. That's sick.
I feel like there's...
Yeah. What I call that thing when I was high? A rocket ship or something?
Oh my gosh, Matt just caught a fish. Aww. Pet him. Aww.
Back by the cells and shit. Apparently that's where, that's where the fingerprints are.
Yeah, somewhere.
So we're walking back. He's like, so where are you from?
Use a quad. There you go. Oh. First person.
So what happens when she falls off and he has to cut off me to pick her up?
Oh. We're on the boat.
And he thinks that you should just, yeah. Are you supposed to talk in a vlog?
I think so, but I think we're gonna mute this clip because your stupid engine's loud.
This really cool island, and like I feel like I'm in The Last of Us on here. Like I was running, it was cool. And we've got this cool little beach, and then there's Matt fishing.
AJ's is just as bad as the rest of them. You just don't know it yet.
So I'm feeling like Ellie in The Last of Us 2, because look at this area. It's so cool. And then we have like the water here. It's just really cool. And then there's this secret little opening. So, ow! I just tripped over a log. Excuse me. But like, it's totally like The Last of Us. It's so cool. No. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Go.
So, we caught a minnow, and I named him Stuart. So we're gonna throw him back in the water now. I don't know if I can do this, but we'll see. Because if he feels gross, I'm gonna scream. Come here, Stuart. Come here, honey. Yeah, come on. Come here. Hey, quit moving. He's moving too much. I'm scared. Does he bite?
No.
He's not gonna bite me?
No.
Well, he's scared. How do I do this? Oh.
You grab him with your hands.
He's running away. Oh, come here. Oh. He's too fast. Come here. Come here. I don't know where he went. Oh, I see him. Oh. Damn it, this isn't like a frog. Okay. Oh, my nails touched him. Come here.
All right, Matt's coming.
Come here. Well, shit. He's too quick. I can't get him. I really wanted to do this. Come here, honey. Hi. Oh, he's scared of me. Come on. I'm here to save your life. So come here. Ah! I touched him. I can't do this.
Here.
Oh. You didn't even record anything, Gavin.
I didn't?
No.
I did too. Yeah,
You
I
didn't
did.
record anything.
No, I did. I watched
Nope.
it.
You didn't record anything. Anyways, we're trying to get this fish, and like I couldn't get him. He's too quick. And so Gavin's gonna try. Get him.
Okay.
Where'd he go? In the tube?
Yeah, it's
Where does
fine.
that tube lead? The water?
Yeah. All around car.
So Gavin's trying to teach me how to drive stick.
It's not working.
No, it's too complicated. My brain can't handle it. Peanut brain over here. But yeah. It's a
Dummy
failed
brain.
attempt. Can't do this. We've got a shotgunning event here, and they finished at the same time.
I thought you were taking a picture, so I'm just sitting here looking dumb.
It's a video.
I know, is it for the vlog?
Yeah. Yeah! Oh shit, hurry, get your picture. So, can you read that? Do you know who that is? That's my girl Ellie, The Last of Us Part 2. I love her. That's my girl, that's my wife. I would do anything for her. I would die for Ellie. Another picnic date. These are biscuits, fries, and chicken.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we
Don't
went to
forget.
Walmart. We got some groceries, but we also got our favorite wine. And then we got this, apparently tastes like squirt. Oh, it's grapefruit. So yeah, there we go. It's a picnic. Oh, the cookies. And then we got cookies and another camera. Another camera. Goodwill in it.
Goodwill in it.
Goodwill in it.
Yeah.
We found a little flannel thing. So
See
yeah.
if all the kids know what encyclopedias are.
Do you guys know what encyclopedias are?
No, like the 8-year-olds. 'Cause
I don't think 8-year-olds watch my videos.
Well, they must.
Right, Garrett. So we're at an Oasis hot tub place, and we're gonna see what this is about because my friends Lauren and Deanna always come here. So I'm nosy and I want to see what it's like. So this is so freaking cute. We're in the Japan room, and it's just super treey. So I thought there was gonna be more sun. Cute little bridge. New slides. So cute. So we're at Greg's Cruisers, but it's like dead. You can only do things outside, which is stupid because quarantine. I'm over it. You suck. My ball's in there. 2 hits.
Terrible.
Yeah. Gavin out here being a real man,
Yeah,
knowing what wood is. The wood shit. He knows.
That's right.
Surprise party. The balloons. Super nice out. Messing up the saran wrap.
Oh, you're gonna make it look like my fault. I see.
Yeah.
This ain't it.
It's funnier that way.
This ain't it.
Oh my gosh. Go ahead. See if we can get it.
Probably the kids. I gotta
Struggling. The struggle is real with the saran wrap.
I got the wraps. I got the wraps.
I know. Teamwork make the dream work.
Like a one-person thing. You can't get in there because they might have already done that part.
Right.
I'm getting it all.
She has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
There you go.
Say hi to the people.
There you go.
I shouldn't have told them.
I know. But you've got the nails, you know? Yeah. A little bit of
Which way
leverage.
were we going, Dad? Was it going? What in the world?
Zooming in on the hair.
This might be
Done for?
yeah, we might have to wrap it. I don't know.
Wrap it in
We have to use
napkins.
something else.
Put some napkins over it. Or another plate.
Yeah, we may have to.
Okay, so Bree is getting it. Like, better than the rest of us. Like, she almost got it, I think.
That's right. We need to stay nice for a minute. That's right. That's right. We gotta catch our breath.
All of her social media will be down in the description bar, so check out her Instagram. Follow her.
All we ended up moving.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. We were there and had a job offer.
Oh, don't break your nails, though.
This is just like addicting, though. Like it's like
Yeah,
I
you
have
want to get it. Yeah.
Ended up selling.
Like, you can't stop.
Yeah.
That breeze feels so good.
December, started looking into joining the Air National Guard.
You almost got it, though.
We sold our house.
Do you need that little knife again? Oh, here's scissors right here.
Yeah, we didn't accept it in. So I'm like, well, I'm gonna be gone for 6 months for training. So
Uh-oh.
they were 2 kids and not knowing anybody.
Oh, I think that's the layer, like, under it or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Household, so I was like, well, we'll rent around here.
Wait.
Go from there.
Gotta keep unwinding it.
National Guard. Like station somewhere?
No, it's just it's like a reserve. You know,
Reserve.
1 weekend a month. and
Got it.
So, but you still gotta go to basic training.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I think
Once that's
this.
over, then yeah, 1 weekend a month.
Not bad.
Oh.
Feel like I'm on a game show.
I know, right? Can you unwrap the whatever this is called? Plastic wrap? What is it? Saran wrap.
Saran wrap. I did the same thing to some at my apartment, and I just threw
Oh
it
my
away. I was
gosh,
like, you know
yep.
what? I'm not about to deal with this.
You can get some more from the Dollar Tree.
Yep. Save 30 minutes
Yep.
of my time.
Yep.
All right.
Are we over it?
I think I'm over it.
So this is our room this time. Let me move this way. It's got the really cute pillars, the murals, the fireplace. I love this, and I love the Greek statues. This is the Santorini Greece room. So freaking cool. Oh, and there's the package behind the scenes, because I'm now gonna do the Pretty Little Thing try-on haul right now. I want to film it in front of this fireplace, which you guys would have already seen before this vlog goes up. So that's awesome. And real quick, broken nail. Already broken nail. Now it's for the vlog.
Should I let these people know
Yeah.
that you're annoyed?
Yeah.
Because nothing went right today. You didn't bring your bobby pins.
And my hair is going
Or
curly,
more
so
hair
I'm pissed
stuff,
off.
Something.
Can't even wear my hat because I should have worn the blonde wig. Nope.
Because something went wrong. I'm chilling though.
Yeah, he is. And I'd rather die right now. We're at Uccello's and we got some Sex on the Beaches. Yummy. Yummy. We're going on a date. We're going on a date.
Yeah, we are.
It's our first date.
Number one.
Number one.
Took forever.
Took forever. Get me. And then here's my outfit. Dress from Nasty Gal. Hat from an ex. Jacket from like a Goodwill type of place. Boots, obviously. Tops. Socks are Pretty Little Thing. And that's it, I guess.
That's the fit.
Prizes. Frederick Meyer Garden. Is that how you say
What
it?
it was called. Yeah.
Meyer Frederick Garden.
Something.
Something. Garden. I want these. I want this. I want that. Ooh, I want these 3 things there. This is so cute. There's just so much green. This bridge over here is so freaking cute. There's palm trees in here. They're like that way. So there's 2 of them. There's more over here. Oh my gosh. Look at all the babies. He's a baby. Oh, look at them all. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at him down there. Oh my gosh. There's so many. Look, he's coming. Aw, he's pretty. He's really pretty. With the blue on the top.
Yeah.
Hi. Look at them all. Hi, guys. Look, they're coming. Oh, he's pretty too. Look at this one. He's like that one. He's pretty too with the orange. Oh, look. We found another one. Hi. This is what's like above the fish. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys because the fish are so pretty. Look at them swimming together. Oh, I love these ones. So pretty. That's my fish right there. That's my guy. There's this really cool tree and it has like all these bolts in it. It's really cool. Guys, a frog. It's a frog. Bunny people, like bunny heads, people bodies. They look like they're gonna kill you. They're scary.
Cream or black?
The cream.
Okay.
This is really cool. It's huge too. Dang, this clip's gonna be muted, so don't worry.
Okay. I was like, yeah, you can.
So, it's our first date, and he went big. Didn't you?
That's right.
I have
Go
to
big
clean
or
my
go home.
camera. Yeah. Thank you.
These people shut up. Alright, look at how perfect this is right here. This is a to-go box, and that's literally perfect. I don't even want to eat it.
Y'all see that road? Do you see that road? What's a door? What's a car door?
We don't know.
We don't know.
gonna kill me. Get it over with. Motherfucker! No!
We're clearing up a good afternoon. We go in the afternoon, just get down for it.
You're videoing?
I'm vlogging.
Why don't you ever tell me
Vlogging.
I'm thinking you're taking a picture every time, so I just sit there.
Back home in Traverse City, getting sex on the beach drunk. Another beach day, guys, with Mom and Mario. I'm over being in the sun. I'm ready to go. I've got a video to film that I'm probably not gonna film till tomorrow. So I gotta shower and wash my hair. I'm over it. I wanna go home.
Free taco stuff.
Round one. The food came super quick.
The green sauce.
This right here.
Oh. Let me get. I gotta smell it.
Hello. If you made it this far, you made it to the end of the video. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.